Hi, welcome back to Backup World. Today we'll learn about how to install RBS Agent on Linux servers. To install RBS Agent on Linux server, we should download RBS Agent from respective cluster to where we have to add the Linux server. So to download RBS Agent, we have to log in RSC and navigate to app tray where we can see 9 dots. And under app tray, we can see settings. Under settings, we can see data sources. Under data sources, we have to select Unix and Linux option. If we select that, we will get this option, Linux and Unix screen. Here we have to select add host. Once we select add host, we will get this window to select the Rubrik cluster. We should select the respective Rubrik cluster. Once we select that, it will populate the other options like I have already here installed and registered RBS software, and I have to install and register RBS software. So to download RBS agent, we should select second option. If we select, we can see multiple all the Unix options flavors like Linux, Solaris, HPUX options here. So for now we are selecting Linux. We can see two options, RPM and Debian packages. We will download RPM package here. So once we download RPM package, we have to move that RBS agent to Linux server into temp location. So, so to once we downloaded and install, we need to open RBA firewall port 12800 and 1280001 between Rubrik cluster and Linux server. So it is prerequisite and ensure to copy RBS agent in temp location of the Linux host. Once we downloaded in temp location, change working directory to temp directory. Here we should use sudo command to run our RPM package. If we don't have sudo access, we should log in server as root admin privileges. So once we have logged into server and uh, move to a temp location, from there we can run installation command sudo rpm space hyphen this is agent name, RBS agent name. I is for installation. We will run this command. It will install within a minute. And we have Debian package. So this also for Linux servers. We can use this command, and we have AX agent to run AX command. We can use this one, and we have Solaris, and yeah, we have Solaris. We have to use this command to run Solaris installation package. Once we install RBS agent, so we have to log in again RSC and navigate same uh, path where we downloaded RBS agent, like app tray settings, data sources, Linux and Unix option. There we have to click on add host, select same cluster where we downloaded RBS agent. Once we select cluster, we will get again two options. I have already installed and register RBS agent. So we should select that one. This time we will get the option to add host, Linux host. Here we can give host name and or host name or IP address we can give. If there is any Oracle databases on those Linux hosts, so then we will get one more options. So that we have to enable that option to provide the database information. select that and we have to provide sysadmin user for Oracle databases. For file system, we no need to do that one. So once we updated Linux server details, then click on add. Once we click on add, it will be added. So just note that if there is no firewall port 128.0.0.0.1 is not open, then we will not be able to add into Rubrik cluster also. So that is mandatory prerequisite. That's it for today. Thank you. Thank you for watching.